In the ongoing pandemic, our collective life came to a halt, and yet our individual lives had to go on. It was in these times that our frontline warriors, including doctors, shop owners, police, and sanitation workers, showed the courage to continue helping people and valuing the greater good more than the individual well-being. And amidst all of this, we at TVS Auto Assist took inspiration from our frontline warriors. And instead of shutting down, we continued working while abiding by the new normal. Our employees worked remotely and were available for calls 24/7 in order to be there with our customers, partners, and our technicians. We attended over 1.5 lakh calls and got the opportunity to help people overcome obstacles in their journeys. From ambulances to police vehicles, we made sure that our essential workers reached their destinations on time. We made sure that the common man didn't have to face uncommon challenges when they hit the road. We made sure to keep the nation moving. We hope to do the same long after normalcy returns, because no matter if the times are good or bad, we are always here for you.